Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make account on Flickr. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now if you want to now if you want to make an account on Flickr, what you need to do is first of all open up the Google Play and search for Flickr right here. Simply search for this Flickr. Install the app, that is 17 MBs. Once Flickr app has been installed, go to the home page and open it up. Tap on it. Once it is opened, you can see there is an option of login, but if you want to create an account, at the bottom is sign up. Tap on it. Enter up your first name, enter up your last name, enter up your birthday, tap on next, go for your email, go for your password. You can choose any password you want. Tap on sign up. After selecting that password, as you can see, this is your specific account, so a link would be sent to your email. Simply go and open up your email. Okay, as you can see, in my case my account has been created, so what I need to do is tap on login at the bottom and simply enter up my password. Tap on login and you can see account not confirmed. So what you need to do is get another link of Flickr so that your account can be easily created, and after that you can simply create Flickr account. Once you go for the email, it's gonna create your account on Flickr. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.